So today I'm going to reveal this build skill after 1 month of usage. So as you know, I've purchased this build skill 21 volt max lithium ion drill kit, which is a self drilling tool. So it has got hammer mode, then screw mode, and then a normal drill mode. So these are the different modes what you can see here, and it has also got the leveler. So this level which indicates how you can drill and make use of the drilling perfection. So there is a 1 and 2 speed. So this 2 indicates that it is in the second speed now. You change it to 1, so it will change to the mode of 1, which is a lesser in speed, a self-explanatory thing. And you've got this light which has to indicate that glowing light when you are making a drill on a wall or any surface. Now comes the opening and closing. This is a very tricky thing. While closing and opening, you can actually bring this outwards, so which states that you have to open this. Just hold it gently and release this by holding this, so it comes out. Again, for putting, you can put this, you can put any of the drill bit which you have. It is as simple as that. So just ensure that you take this drill bit from any hardware shop. Hitachi is a good one. The one which comes from this tool drill which was not so good. So what I did, I just bought this from a very good hardware shop, which is a Hitachi brand, which give you a maximum. And even if you see this is again, I've bought the one which they have got from this was not so good and appealing. It has got malfunction, I would say, within one usage itself. So I bought this from outside. So it is better you purchase from outside. So again, for fixing this, what I'll do, I bring this outside, hold it again, and gently push this. So as you see, when you push, it will get fit and it will tighten up. So this is how you can bring outside and then put it inside. So again, by putting this, you can put it outside, this one, and then hold it so it becomes tight. So this, as you see, I am in the lowest of the lowest, and the one which is a marking, you can turn this to any of this. So the advantage of this is you can see this truck sound will come. So this indicates that this is not so harsh on the motor. The motor is running quite smoothly, and this one and this screw bit can be used for any screwing and unscrewing. If you slightly increase this one, right, if you slightly increase the outer side, as this gives you a more power, as well as if you try to increase this level 15, 16, 17, 18, so it will have a more impact. As you see, the truck sound is not coming. Okay, and sometimes you can also have these kinds of cuts in your hand if you go for a hammer bit. So this is a hammer bit now, this arrow mark and this one. So this you can't even really hold this, so it will have a full power, full throttle. And if you also put it to 2, again it brings you a very good speed for making any hammer drill. And it is a very good tool. As I say, you can change it to any mode. You can change it to 2 and then make it to a normal wood bit, or make it to a screw bit for screwing and unscrewing. As I already told, you can remove this by holding this. Always ensure that you are in the lowest of the lowest speed while removing this, so that you don't get hurt on the hands. So as you see, I've removed this now. Again, I put this by making this outward and hold it like this upside, so it gets tightened. Okay, again, for unboxing this, you can remove this, you can keep it for charge. It gives you a maximum of 1 hour charge. It is a light indicator to indicate that battery is fully charged. You can keep checking this, and putting this as simple as that. You put it inside, and this is how you can use your drill bit impact build skill. So if you put it in the middle, it will have no impact, so it will not move anywhere. So this is how it can be used. Thank you guys.